have explained in my natural square extension video how to place the nail form for the standard nail convex and concave one. So now, because my nails are convex, I have to place the free edge of the future nail extension to be straight with the natural apex. So I have cut the nail form depending on the natural nail, the lateral folds and the free edge. Because I am doing until number 2 on the nail form, this number 2 have to be straight with the natural apex. I have already applied nail prep solution and primer. Then I have applied base coat. I have tried all of them, and now was the time to apply builder gel. The name of arch square is coming because of the C curve, which is very pronounced. To have a very beautiful C curve, we need to close the nail form slightly conical, so in that way we do not have a very wide C curve. This kind of nail shape is very hard to wear it day by day. I have tried the gel, so now I will just take off the nail form and I will fill that gap between the natural nail and the extension. After that I will dry it and I will continue to create the apex. Our apex have to be 30%, so we're gonna place it in the middle of the natural nail. I will start to file the left side wall, then I will go on the right side wall, then on the surface of the nail, then on the free edge, and if I will shorter too much, then I have to clean under, as will be a big quantity of gel. The top coat is already dried, so I'll continue to add the gel polish color, but I will not go inside the lamp. I will continue to add some glittery dust, and after that I will go inside the lamp for 60 seconds. Because it's already dried, I can use a dust brush to remove all the excess. Now I just need to file the free edge and we have finished. I hope you will send me some of your works if you will do this design. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.